Hello, library friends, and welcome to Online Storytime. My name is Miss Amanda, and I work at the Lincoln County Public Library. I'm so excited that you're joining us today for Online Storytime. Today, we are going to be talking about love and Valentine's Day because Valentine's Day is going to be here very soon. You can see that the blocks that I have over here spell the word love. Love, love. And we're going to sing our love song today. All right, but first, the song we're going to sing is our hello song. So, can you make your hands clap fast? Can you make your hands clap slow? Good job. Here we go. We clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and say hello. Good job. Hello and good morning. All right. We are going to take down our love background so we can read some stories together. Are you ready? All right, here we go. All right, our first book today is going to be our book of the month, and it is called Everyone Loves Olaf. So if you have your book of the month, you can get it and follow along while I read. And if you don't have the book yet, make sure you stop by the library and pick up your February Online Storytime Kit. All right, here we go. Elsa makes great swirls of ice with her special magic powers. She makes a snowman friend named Olaf. They laugh and play for hours. And this is a really special book because it's a touch and feel book. So on all the different pages, there's something different to touch and feel. On this page, you can feel that Olaf feels fuzzy. Elsa's sister Anna loves to go skating on the ice. She and Olaf draw figure eights by making circles twice. They're making the number 8, and the number 8 is 2 circles. 1 and 2. Kristoff, Olaf, and some trolls are playing hide and seek. Olaf has to count to 10, trying not to peek. Can we help Olaf count to 10? Are you ready? Let's count with our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Uh-oh, what's wrong with my book? Is it broken? Oh, it's upside down. So silly. Sven follows Olaf to and fro everywhere he goes. He likes his snowy friend very much, especially his nose. Look, there's Olaf. And Olaf has a special nose. Do you know what Olaf's nose is made of? It's a carrot. Elsa, Anna, Kristoff, and Sven don't want this book to end. They always have the greatest time with Olaf, their best friend. Let's count how many friends there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what did Elsa make? What is this? A snowflake. Yeah, good job. All right, we are going to sing our love song. Are you ready? We're going to spell the word love, and it is to the tune of Are You Sleeping? Ready? Love, Love. I can spell love. I can spell love. I love my friends and family. I love my friends and family. Love, Love. Yay! Good job, friends. All right, I have one more book. Are you ready to see what it is? It is called Where is Baby's Valentine? And this book is by Karen Katz. Can we sing our author song for Karen Katz? Are you ready? The author writes the words, the author writes the words. Hi-ho, did you know the author writes the words? Good job! All right, and Karen Katz is the author of this book, and she wrote all the words. Here we go. Baby is looking for her special Valentine. Is it behind the chair? Let's look and see if Baby's special Valentine is behind the chair. Nope, it's balloons. Look at those colorful balloons. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 colorful balloons, but no Valentine. Look at Baby's Valentine. It's big, red, shiny, and it's a heart. It's a big, red, shiny heart. So let's help Baby find it. We got to keep looking. Is it under the blanket? Let's look and see if it's under the blanket. No, it's a cuddly teddy bear. This bear has a heart, but it's not a big, red, shiny heart. You know what that means? We have to keep looking. Is it behind the lamp? No, but those are some pretty flowers. Can you help me count the flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pretty flowers, but still no special Valentine. Let's keep looking. Is it under the pillow? No, it's a fancy box of chocolates. Yum, yum. Oh, it's a big red heart, but is it a big red shiny heart? No. You know what that means? We have to keep looking. Is it in the cupboard? Let's look and see if it's in the cupboard. A cupboard is another word for a cabinet. Let's see if it's in here. Is it in here? No, but those are delicious pink cookies. Yum, yum, yum. Is it in Baby's room? Oh, look, there's a shiny heart, but it's not a big shiny heart. It's a little shiny heart. Let's see if it's in Baby's room. We have to open the door and see. We found it! Yes, here is Baby's special Valentine, and she made it just for Mommy. Yay! Good job, guys. Thank you so much for helping Baby find her very special Valentine. You guys did a wonderful job. All right, I'm going to show you our activity for this week. So inside your online storytime bag, you will have an Olaf Valentine, and it'll look like this. And your Olaf Valentine will have an ice pop. So you can take your Valentine off. And it says, some people are worth melting for. And you can see that it's squishy. And this is called a liquid, and it's all squishy. And before you eat it, you have to put it in the freezer. So I went ahead and put one in the freezer, and this is what it looks like when it's frozen. So this is an orange ice pop, and that's not frozen. And this is a pink ice pop that is frozen. And it's not liquid anymore. Look at that. It's very hard and it's very cold. And we call this a solid. This is solid and it's cold. My one that hasn't been in the freezer yet, it's a little warm and it's a little squishy and bendy. But this one that's frozen, it's not very bendy. You can bend it just a little bit, but you can't really squish it because it's a solid. So you can take one ice pop and put it in the freezer, and you can leave one ice pop out of the freezer, and then you can feel them both and see how they feel different. Yeah, very cool. All right, thank you guys so much for joining me today for online story time. I had a great time, and I hope that you did too. We are going to wave and say goodbye. Are you ready? We wave and say goodbye. We wave and say goodbye. With our friends at story time, we wave and say goodbye. Bye, everybody. I hope you have a great day.